Hey everybody! In this video, we will see how the CloudPayroll extension works in Zoho Books. By installing the extension, your payroll data from CloudPayroll will automatically be fetched into Zoho Books. And every time you close a payroll in CloudPayroll, a journal entry is created in Zoho Books for you. This helps keep your books accurate and updated with salary expenses, deductions, and more. We will cover the following topics to see how the extension works in Zoho Books. First, let's install the extension. Go to Zoho Marketplace and search for the CloudPayroll extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the following page, read and agree to the terms and conditions of the vendor and marketplace. And click Install. Here, select the organization for which you want to install the extension. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the integration, and click Next. Now, let's authorize Zoho Books and CloudPayroll connection. To authorize Zoho Books with CloudPayroll, hover the cursor over this card and click Connect. In the following page, click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from your app. Therefore, click Accept to continue. To authorize CloudPayroll with Zoho Books, hover the cursor over this card and click Connect. In the following page, click Connect. You will be redirected to the CloudPayroll sign-in page. Enter the credentials and click Login. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your Authenticator app and click Verify. After authorizing the connections, click Next. In the Configure section, map the accounts in CloudPayroll with the accounts in Zoho Books and click Install Extension. The CloudPayroll extension is successfully installed in your organization. A CloudPayroll Logs custom module will be created. You can view the logs for the imported payrolls and check their status here. As you can see, the payroll records from the CloudPayroll are imported in Zoho Books. Note that payrolls recorded in CloudPayroll before installing this extension will not be imported. If the record status is success, a journal entry for that log will have been automatically created in Zoho Books. If a log status is failure, you can click the log and view the reason for failure and manually create a journal to sync your payroll transactions. Click Create Journal. In the pop-up, map your accounts in CloudPayroll with the accounts in Zoho Books and click Create Journal. Now, if the accounts are mapped correctly, the status will change to success and a journal will be created for that payroll log. Go to the Accountant module and select Manual Journal. Here, you can view the journal that's created for the payroll log. At any point, if you want to uninstall the extension, here's how you can do it. Before you proceed, please note the following. Number 1. Uninstalling the extension will permanently delete the CloudPayroll Logs custom module along with all its existing records. 2. This action will not affect the manual journals already recorded in Zoho Books. 3. Future payroll logs from CloudPayroll will no longer be imported. To uninstall, go to Settings. Under Integrations and Marketplace, go to Marketplace. Navigate to the Installed Extensions tab, hover over the CloudPayroll extension, and click View Details. In the Extension Details page, click Uninstall. In the pop-up, click Yes to confirm. The extension will be uninstalled from your organization. And that's a wrap for our video on CloudPayroll extension in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.